Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Very privileged background, privileged growing up. I was very privileged, got all the best of facilities. And coming from a business family, I always wanted to do something of my own and not join my father's business directly. I picked up on it, and now in my close group of friends, there's no Delhite. And I think that's one of the biggest achievement for me. Bathroom singer growing up. Like I'll always sing. Even my teachers used to complain to my parents that, he sings in the class and he should really stop singing and focus on studies. Most of the energy can subsidize the shoe price, so your shoe can also reach to rural areas where still about 80% of the people do not wear shoes.
Okay, so hi guys, welcome to the Real Humans of B School, and we are here with Kartik Anand, who is coming here from IIM Bangalore. Welcome on board, Kartik.
Hi Anisha, how are you doing?
I'm great. How are you doing?
Wonderful. Enjoying my time. I mean, nobody gets to spend so much time with their family when they're doing an MBA. So I'm leveraging that.
That's really nice. Really nice. So you're at home these days?
Yes, I'm at home doing my internship, work from home virtually.
Very good. That's really nice. I think it's a double-edged sword also at times. You don't have an off, it's work from home. You're on the go to all throughout, but good advantage you're being at home with family and nice.
Yes.
Great. So tell us a little bit more about Kartik. Like, let's not talk about IIM Bangalore right now. Let's try to know who the real Kartik is.
Right, so I'm a pure Delhite, born and brought up in Delhi, did my schooling here, then jumped to engineering college. I did my BTech from Delhi College of Engineering, which is again nearby my home. So spent 22 years of my life all around Delhi. So I really wanted to get out of my home as well to get a taste of different cultures. So I think then IIM Bangalore stepped in. But apart from that, I think I had a very privileged background, privileged growing up. I was very privileged, got all the best of facilities. And coming from a business family, I always wanted to do something of my own and not join my father's business directly. So I always had a vision in place, right? Because yes, you may have an easier way out sometimes to just go with what the life offers you. But if you take that extra step, I think you could achieve wonderful things.
Lovely.
So
I like that.
Yeah.
I like that belief. And I love that one statement which you mentioned in the beginning, typical Delhiite. What is this typical Delhiite?
So this typical Delhiite is the one who feels that, it's somebody who's very comfortable in his own environment. I mean, growing up, I only interacted with Delhiites, and, we have a way of getting onto things, way of getting things done, the Jugaad that we mentioned, right?
So true.
We are very, very cool with the people around us. And when I went to IIM Bangalore and I met people from different cultures, it's very difficult for me to connect with them as well. I mean, the things that I thought are normal, things that I thought were cool were actually not cool. And then you learn a lot about professional environment as well and how to, conduct yourself professionally. I think that was one of the aspects that were the biggest learnings of my, my life at IIM Bangalore.
True, very true. I think one of the things which the typical Delhiites always come with is everybody has this thing कि Delhi वाले बहुत chod लोग होते हैं, so then you have to mellow down when you get into this entire professional setup and everything. So did you feel that kind of a difference when you went from Delhi to Bangalore?
Yes, I did feel. I mean, all of us, all the Delhiite people, we formed our own group, and we were very extroverts, the outspoken ones, right? And taking like the first ones to take part in every activity. But I think the team spirit and bonding with the other people as well, the inclusivity factor also comes into play, and then that's a very important quality to have if you want to succeed in life. So I picked
True
up
that.
on it, and now in my close group of friends, there's no Delhiite. And
Oh
I think
wow.
that's one of the biggest achievement for me. So yeah.
Interesting. That's nice. And I think Bangalore also encourages a lot of inclusiveness, cultural. You all celebrate all festivals and everything. So I think the
Yes.
first year had must have been such a crazy experience out there, right?
Right. And even there's a tradition at IIM Bangalore where each month you will celebrate a cuisine of one of the particular state.
Oh wow.
And the people from that state would actually host the whole dinner and serve the other people, including the
Interesting.
director at IIM Bangalore and all the students, even the
Wow.
crew that works at IIM Bangalore. So I got a chance to, present the Delhiite cuisine, the Delhi cuisine, the chole bhature and all
Interesting.
of that stuff to people.
Oh
And I
wow.
also get to taste a lot of cuisines of other states. And then you realize that, okay, there's magic in every state and there's a beauty in
True.
every state.
That's
Yeah.
lovely. That's really nice. I think that's the only college which encourages so much kind of cultural inclusiveness into the students. So interesting. Really nice to hear that. And apart from this, like what all do you like? Like I know you love to sing. So what made you take
Yes.
that up?
Right. So growing up, I was a bathroom singer growing up. Like I always sing. Even my teachers used to complain to my parents that, he sings in the class and, he should really stop singing and focus on studies. So not very studious growing up. But then my parents, channelized my singing into a coaching. So I took
Okay.
professional training in Hindustani classical music for 8 years.
Wow.
And then class 10th 11th comes up and you get to drop your coaching and focus on your academic journey. But then I picked it up in college. I think there is a misconception in people that all the IIMs MBA colleges are only about studies, but there's a lot of focus on cultural activities, and I get to be part of
Very
the music
true.
club and even start their YouTube channel.
Oh,
So
nice. So you have a YouTube
yeah.
channel. What's that called?
So Dhwani covers. So Dhwani is the name of our musical group at IIM Bangalore.
Okay.
And then we started a YouTube channel as well. And I got a
Oh,
chance
that's
to be in their
lovely.
first video. Yeah.
Oh, that's really lovely and nice. That's actually, true. Well, a lot of people have this misconception कि MBA मतलब सिर्फ पढ़ाई पढ़ाई पढ़ाई. But
Right.
honestly, I think there's a lot more apart from पढ़ाई, which everybody does. And I think we all have an exorbitant cultural, extracurricular, social life out there at an MBA. So tell us more about your entire 1 year journey through IIM Bangalore.
Definitely. So I think that IIMs are not just academic institutions, they actually hone your whole personality and they prepare you for your journey ahead. Uh, and you get to have a lot of opportunities in conducting fests, but I think we conduct fests at even engineering colleges, but the scale of fests
Hmm.
at MBA colleges is way beyond. I mean, the things that you get to manage, the things that you can completely own and manage, those are at a very high level because they trust you that, okay, you're mature enough. Apart
Correct.
from that, there are corporate competitions, which are a big aspect of MBA colleges. And I got to participate in a few, all the bright minds collaborating together to, achieve something. And there I eventuated upon an idea, came up with an idea with my friend, and now we have incubated our startup at the incubation center of IIM Bangalore, which is
Wow,
NSR Cell.
that's lovely. So what's your whole idea about, if you don't mind
So we
sharing?
want to, yeah, definitely. So we want to, revolutionize the footwear industry. So we see that we have
Acha.
smartwatches,
Hmm.
smartphones, with not much technology in the footwear. And if
Okay.
you add the fact that the whole body's weight is applied at your foot, right? So if
Correct.
you could channelize that energy to generate some electricity, that
Hmm.
could be really beneficial for humankind because it's totally renewable.
Okay.
And what more, if a shoe lasts for about a couple of years, the cost of the energy can subsidize the shoe price. So your shoe can also reach to rural areas where still
Hmm.
about 80% of the people do not wear shoes because they can't
Correct.
afford it.
Correct.
Right. So we're building a technology. We are a high-tech company, trying to
Nice.
build energy and data from your weight of the
Nice.
body applied on shoes.
That's really nice. And I think that's something which MBA teaches you. Whenever you see an idea, you start doing some pilot, some execution. Let's explore it. क्या होगा? Fail ही हो जाएंगे ना, but try तो करो at least. So that's a lovely
Definitely.
thing which you're doing. So that's nice.
Also,
And yeah.
I'll just add one point, right? The fact is that when you are from an MBA college, you get a pedestal also to try your idea. So
Hmm.
it's not just that we came up with the idea and we executed it. It's very difficult to build the technology and take it to
Correct.
market. But our college had various contacts, and the day I told my professor that I have an idea, A professor contacted an engineering college in Bangalore, and then they sent us on a pilot project in that engineering college.
Wow.
So not being students of that engineering college, but just because my college had contacts, I went to their lab, talked to their professors, worked in their lab, and came up with the product.
Interesting.
So you could do a lot when you get to an MBA college, and that is why they have such a high price of CAT and all.
Yeah, I think that in networking, that's all the true networking skills, like you're learning that up there. Lovely. So you also mentioned that, one fact that you're organizing, arranging stuff with all the brightest minds out there. Did you ever get this kind of a feeling कि यार यहाँ तो सभी topper है, अब मतलब I'm like just normal, nobody out there?
Yes, you would feel sometimes that, okay, there's a lot of competition there, but then you're not preparing to be an average throughout your life, right? Everybody wants to come out of the top. And
Correct.
Yet we realize that all of us cannot be at the top, right? But then you realize that, okay, I may have certain qualities which put me in a different place than others. I am distinct in my own nature. I'm distinct in my own flavor. So then you realize that what you're good at, and then you specialize in that area. So I think that, yes, everybody cannot be the CEO of Google. Everybody cannot be the CEO of Microsoft, but you can be the best in which field you desire to be. And there are various fields. There are multiple fields in the world. So then, yes, initially when you come, you feel like, okay, he and she is much more accomplished than I am. But later on, you realize that all of you are equally, equally intelligent and equally good. Yeah.
Lovely. That's very true. I think we always heard that, and always, tell people that, there should be one thing you are known for, like, and that's what makes you special, kind of, not maybe everybody else is. So if I ask you, Kartik, what is it that you are known for? Like, I ask anybody from your IIM Bangalore, like I just, that Akash, another friend of yours or someone, what would they say? Kartik is known in Bangalore for what?
I'm known for a lot of bad things as well. but I think I'm good at presentation, probably.
Okay.
So when it comes to my communication, I feel that, yes, I do not lack in confidence, do not have any stage fright. So probably go up there, own the idea, and present it to people. So my communication has the least noise. So this is the MBA term that people tell you. You are able to channelize your ideas and send it to the other party.
Interesting. So, एकदम अच्छे से polished. He's learnt up the MBA terms and everything. But in short, I'll tell you, ये ना Delhi trait है. मतलब बातें करवा लो, उसमें कोई problem नहीं आती है. जितनी बातें करवा लो, हम कर सकते हैं. So what is the bad?
But to make sense as well. हम दिल्ली वाले बातें बहुत करते हैं, but then we're very senseless. Very few talk sense. I hope that you're not from Delhi.
No offense to the other Delhiites. No, I am not from Delhi.
I'm a Delhiite first, and I'm a Delhiite. Yeah.
But Kartik, तुमने बोला कि senseless होते हैं. बाकी Delhiites, please मारना मत कार्तिक और मुझे for this conversation. But we are candid out here. अच्छा, तुमने कहा one bad thing that you are known for. You are known for many bad. एक बताओ क्या?
Okay. So, although like I am 23 right now, and legally I'm not allowed to drink in Delhi, but in Bangalore I am. So
okay.
So I have an interest in, trying different things and trying different flavors. So although I don't drink much, very little, I've tried a couple of here and there, but my liking for different tastes took me to bartending and mixology. So then I took up a course in mixology as well, where you try to mix different ingredients up and come up with a different thing, different drink altogether. So yeah, so I have my own recipe for a couple of drinks, which my friends also love to drink. Yeah.
Interesting. So यार ये इतनी बुरी नहीं है, but हाँ, our video is for all people who are above age, which is there, so don't worry about that. But
I think it's not just about, it's not about, being something that's odd or different. I think MBA college, you have the most fun of your life, even more fun than your engineering colleges. And that's all part of life. You should know a lot of different things when you step out in a corporate world. People expect you to know things when you're representing a company. So if you know something special in terms of connecting with the client or connecting with your boss, that only helps you.
I was just going to ask you, have you ever used this to build a conversation in the corporate lives or your interviews and stuff? Learning
So,
mixology and all of this.
yes, it certainly helps you in your interviews as well when they read it on your resume. So I have it in my resume also. I
Right.
mean, when you go for marketing companies, so for example, AB and Bev is
Hmm.
a beer manufacturer, so they hire from MBA colleges, right?
Correct.
And when they see this kind of thing on the resume, they'll really be interested in you. That okay, you have some interest in trying different things. It kind of sets you apart, and it becomes a conversation thing as well that you can initiate
True.
conversation basis this. So
That's
yeah,
really
kind
interesting.
of helps.
Not even AB Bev, just only like trust me. Come on, everybody out there, most of the recruiters, you'll have all of them. Koi to hoga who's interested into trying different flavors like you are. So it can
Right.
always be a nice thing. So guys, you should try some weird things also on your resume, be it making caricatures and stuff or any of these things. I
Yeah,
think
people
we
love
can do it.
cycling. People love to
Mm.
cook. And I think a lot of men love to cook as well. In
Yeah,
this pandemic, a lot of men have resorted to cooking now.
I
And
know you're
given
going to have
the
a lot of chefs after this, I guess.
yes, definitely, and such things help. So you get a certification, learn a different
Nice.
cuisine. That certainly help to build your personality.
Interesting. What is one new thing that you are exploring in this pandemic time?
I'll give a very academic kind of answer. I mean, I've taken up chess. And always wanted to learn chess
Okay.
and play. So yeah, that's one thing. Some myself this chess foundation,
Okay.
see stand.
Hmm.
I've
Nice.
built this beard as well. I mean,
Ah.
yeah,
Nice. So that's an academic answer. And a non-academic thing that you've picked up?
it'll be very tough to answer that. But yes, everybody's glued to a lot of TV series and all of that stuff. Although I've always stayed away from TV series because they're a very big time commitment for you.
Hmm.
Right? There are tens of seasons with tens of episodes. But yeah, I finally got the fondness for watching TV series as well.
Okay.
No harm in watching a couple here and there.
Nice. Interesting. Yeah, as long as he's already at IIM Bangalore, there's no harm. For all of you who are watching us right now, you have to crack IIM so you get away from those TV series. But that's really interesting.